Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, I've been moving slow, but I'm moving right, step by step. Wake up, got a rhythm in my brain. Ain't the biggest, but I'm still in the game. Ain't got the fame, ain't got the chain, but I keep grinding, nigga, and staying in my lane. Every day I'm learning something new, talking to myself like, bro, it's on you. Rap a couple lines, play it back like, woo. Never thought my voice could hit like that too. Step by step, yeah, I'm climbing up slow. Ain't the best yet, but I'm writing my story though. Step by step, even when I'm moving low, I just keep going. When one day I'm gon' blow. Some days I'm lost, some days I fall. Feels like life got me back to the wall. Still keep pushing and go, standing tall. Dreams in my head, trying to chase them all. They say quit now, wait, why say now? I say now I'm straight. They say you too slow. I say watch me elevate me, yeah, I ain't chasing clout. I just wanna create. One day my name gon' hit like 808. Step by step, yeah, I'm climbing up slow. Ain't the best yet, but I'm writing my story though. Step by step, even when I'm moving low, I just keep going. When one day I'm gon' blow. One day I'll be on stage with the lights real bright. One day the crowd's gon' scream when I rock that mic. But for now it's just me in my room late night, trying to make one song that'll change my life. I rewrite, rework, come back strong, trying to make sure every line hits long. Ain't rushing, nothing greatness takes long. I'm building my road like I build these songs. Shooting for the top, no flex, no brag. Just wanna prove dreams start from a scratch. From a little spark to a big impact. And the grind don't stop till you earn your plex. Step by step, yeah, I'm climbing up slow. Ain't the best yet, but I'm writing my story though. Step by step, today I drop my flow. Tomorrow, who knows, I might be the next to blow.